chapter name is A Little Fir Tree. A Little Fir Tree is a very interesting story of a tree and a magician. Let's see. Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. So a magician is going back to his home, and on the way when he is going to the home, the rain started. So it rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. Fir tree is a type of tree. So he saw that fir tree and he has no shelter to stand upon until the rain ends. So he ran towards it, that fir tree, and as fast as he could. And when he reached there, and he took the shelter under a fir tree. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet, and he said thank you to the little fir tree. Thank you, you have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, the magician said. So the magician is happy because of the fir tree. He didn't get the weight, and he is granting him, he is giving him the 4 wishes. Whatever he wants, whatever the fir tree want, he can ask to that magician. So the sad fir tree had leaves like needles. Needles means which is very sharp things. And because of that needles, no birds ever made their nests on that fir tree. So the fir tree said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. So other trees are having green leaves. So that fir tree also like these green leaves, because on other plants there are so many birds coming and building their nests. So this little fir tree also wish to have the birds have their nest on that little fir tree. So the next morning its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the little fir tree, I wish I had gold leaves. So this was the second wish that he asked to the magician. I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. So again, this was the second wish of him, to have gold leaves. How happy I am. Then he became so happy by having the gold leaves. A man came along and stole all the gold leaves. So stole all the gold is very precious metal. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. So this is the third wish that he asks to the magician, and it is also granted. The next day its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am. Then he became happy by having the glass leaves. It said, at night the wind blew. Hoo, hoo, hoo. All the glass leaves broke. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle-like leaves best. For goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, and the wind will do them no harm. So the little fir tree went to sleep. This was the last wish that he asked for. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. So the before he made the magician how the leaves were there, the same leaves are now there by his 4th wish. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. So in this story, the message the writer wants to tell us that whatever we have, we should be happy with it. There are some new words. Pretty means beautiful. Needles, the sharp thing which we use to sew or to stitch clothes. Leaves, gold means it is a precious metal. from which we make jewelry. Stole is action. It is the second form of still.